Hi, my name is Arushi Tiwari and I'm a part of the MBA core program. My major is finance and I'm from the 23-25 batch. As a part of the international immersion program, we visited the DHBW University in Stuttgart, Germany and the EMLV University in Paris, France. So I think the immersion program for an MBA student at our institute, it actually gives you an insight into the global business environment. So it's really a very practical way of understanding whatever you study at the institute in your course. So one thing I learned is that different business environments in different parts of the country, they have different cultural ways of conducting their business. There are a lot of cultural differences, a lot of linguistic barriers, and just a lot of difference in how everyone perceives each other in terms of communication. I think that balance in their personal and professional life, it makes a huge difference, wherein your mind is able to, rest when it needs to and work productively at work when it needs to. So I think if we are able to bring that kind of culture even at, in our country, I think it would really revolutionize the entire business environment. So the three key takeaways that I take from the program would be my understanding of respecting others' time, having some attention to detail, and at the same time also respecting the cultural differences that are existing in the world, and being very mindful about how we conduct ourselves when we are dealing with different kinds of people and maintaining those relationships.